How to fix copying too slow on Windows 10 and 11. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix copying too slow on Windows 10 or 11. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin with the process on how we can fix it. So in order to fix it, first of all, open your desktop. After that, you just need to head over to the search bar and type in services. After typing in services, you'll be seeing services of your system. You're just going to open it up. Just click on open and open it up on your device. It may take a while to load first of all. And then you're going to scroll down until you are able to see optimized drivers. Just search for optimized drivers. Just scroll down until you are able to see that option. Just go to the O section here and search for optimized drivers. You can see that option. Just double click on it, and when you double click on it, you can see the startup type, and under startup type, if it is not on manual, just select to manual. If it is not on manual, after that, start, apply, and click on OK and do it, and that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, you may just update your driver as well. Just right click on it and you can start or restart your driver. After doing so, the next thing you can do is, except for this, you may just close this first of all and go to the search bar again, and this time type in turn the keyboard on and off. And when you turn this off, when you scroll down a bit, you can see this option. Make sure to turn it off and tap on OK. After that, your issue should probably be fixed. Otherwise, just head over to the search bar again, and this time search for Windows PowerShell. Just type in Windows PowerShell and run it as administrator. After that, just copy the prompt that I'm showing on the screen right now and hit that enter. After that, your operation should be successful, and your problem should probably be fixed. So therefore, just follow the method and you should be able to fix your issue. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.